Do you have a Squarespace website for your therapy practice? Your contact form may need one important update. Squarespace is a great way to build a professional-looking healthcare website, but its built-in forms are not meant for collecting protected health information. So if a prospective client shares sensitive details through that generic form on your website, that information is not protected the way HIPAA expects. The good news is you don't need to rebuild your website. You can keep your Squarespace website and add a secure, HIPAA-compliant contact form from HashMail instead. So prospective clients can contact you securely from the very first message. Start by opening your contact page on your Squarespace website and add a code block. Then head to HashMail and copy the embed code from your contact form and paste it into your Squarespace code block. Save your changes. Now, prospective clients have a secure way to reach out, and you have a form that's designed to support your HIPAA compliance from the very beginning of your client relationship. Start your free HashMail trial and add a secure contact form to your Squarespace website today.